Hey everyone, this is Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Today we're going to check out what's in this box with this knife. So, basically with almost all of my videos, it's not sponsored, not cool enough really. But, so I think this is yes it is, a battery generator, Anker SOLIX portable power station. Wow! 600 watt max surge pad output, 8 outlets, including these household ones. 5-year warranty, 10-year lifespan. Normally supposed to be 300 watt output, but also the 288 watt hour battery. So what we'll do is we'll get this box on this box here, and also we're going to hook up to that solar panel, which I have graciously taken over the top of this thingy for. Currently, it's just using a USB-C output on the back of this Revenge 200 watt panel. So I did get this from Best Buy's Tech Insider Network. It is not a sponsored video, but I did receive this as a member of Best Buy's Tech Insider program. As a member of this invitation-only program, I am provided products for the purpose of writing honest and unbiased reviews, which I will do with this, especially after I try it out and see how much of basically our balcony here we can get off the grid. Probably running a 32-inch smart screen off of it and our phones. So, get the unboxing here. Oh, nope, there's no stuff up there. So far, so good. As far as kind of recyclable packaging, there's some plastic here too. But so, this size Anker SOLIX is supposed to be more portable. You can see you've got this strap here to actually put it over your shoulder for taking on like picnics, beaches, beach trips, hikes. Not sure if this one's got it, but Anker's website, they've got like this guy here, but he's got a solar panel just like draped down his back for his hike. So, you can take those all important Instagram pictures. We've got the power cord here too, and it's just like a standard PC style grounded plug. We've got some, this looks like it got shoved in there and wiggled around a bit. Warranty card, book, and user guide with the QR code like that. I will probably use the QR code to look at the manual instead of this thingy. Cool. All right. Yeah, so it's just got kind of general information here, most of which I don't totally know. Yeah, anyways, for somebody who recently stopped working in solar, you'd think I'd know more about this, but I don't. I worked in the finance and accounting side because, of course, I did. So here it is, lightweight. It's got a nice little handle on it, vents for ventilation. Bottom just has these like little foot grips here with some other information on it too, just for like quick reference and stuff. And on the front here, we've got the light. Let's see if it's even on. I don't know, it might be. I think we have to turn the whole thing on first. So you've got the like cigarette lighter style 12-volt plug, I believe. And you can turn it on and off here. You've got the like USB style charging ports here. You can switch. You've got the XT60 solar array plug here, and then a USB-C in that goes up to 140 watts, USB-C PD power in. You can also do USB-C power out at 140 watts out of the C3 port. The C1 port does 15 watts, and then these are your standard US household plug ports, 3 of them. You got your own little push button here. So let's see if it has any juice. Kind of doubt it. And that's all that's in the box. Very little plastic. All right. Now, how would one plug you in? Of course, it would be this AC input. So, being a small portable generator, ooh, it's maybe like a 1 meter cord. It's going to be a little tight. But being a small portable generator, you're going to be a little more limited with what kind of functions and features you have. Obviously, it's not meant to fully back up your entire house. But in the case of a power outage, let's just scoot over here. In the case of a power outage, you should still be able to get something going. All right, so we've got a little bit going on here now. We are at 23%, and we are charging at 327 watts. Yeah, 0.8 hours until full recharge. So we are, there's the light, probably difficult to see since we are outside and in the direct sun. But anyways, so when you turn on certain outlets, you get a little LED in the middle of the button that turns on too. You can kind of hear it, especially with the big outlets. When you press and hold, it'll do it like a thunk when it's actually turning the circuit. So you'll really know when it's ready and available. All right, cool. Well, we know we have power. That's awesome. But let's make it a little more challenging. Move my dog's water bowl. So a lot of solar panels will come with, so that red and black cable in here, that is your MC4 connection. You can see we've got our USB-C, and that green light means it's got energy coming through it. It's supposed to be able to handle up to 60 watts through USB-C. But so that connection is obviously not the same as this. So we got to find a way to do that. And that's where it's picked up these cables to easily connect between the panel, and the MC4 is kind of like an industry standard solar panel connection. There we go. Versus the XT60 is more of a, I don't know, kind of like a easier looking plug, more recreational kind of side, versus industrial, commercial, rooftop. Oh, these are not bound. That's interesting. It's a choice. See how we do. Of course, before we do, take that off. Let's go. We are getting a whopping like 4 to 12 watts. 17 there. Hey, but it is charging. But also, you'll be able to tell there's not very much sunlight hitting it right now because it's behind that tree. So, yeah. Anyways. There we go. Anyways, this is the Anker SOLIX C300X portable battery bank power station, and right now we're hooked up we're hooked up to solar, getting 12 watts of charge at 99.9 hours until full recharge. But it is getting something, and yeah, I should be able to run my entire like outdoor entertainment setup off of here. Portable Bluetooth speaker, 32-inch 4K smart monitor, and yeah, charger phones and all that stuff. So should be pretty cool. Plus, like, you can take this out, bring it out camping, and be able to still get power on the go. Plus, the strap. That'll be nice for carrying it around. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, hit like down below. Check out the links in the description. I'll try and have everything listed down there. Yeah, otherwise, go check one out for yourself. And I'll try and do some updates on how my little apartment slightly solar complement goes. See if it's kind of worth it. Anyways, have a great day.